Alrighty everyone, we're back again. Yes, it's another RCI-2995DXHP. This one's going out to William out in Razorback country. William got it ready to go for you, bud. Just a basic tune alignment. You ordered an adapter, got that coming your way, and 2 Superstar mics. So let's just get right to it. Our power all the way down. 250 watt slug. 5 watts there all the way down in case you decide to run a big maul. 60 all the way up. Show you average power swing. Hello. 125, 130. 500 watt slug in peak. 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 audio. Dancing all around that 250 watt mark. Alright, William is coming out to you, man. I appreciate it. Your friend Truck at truckcbsales.com. Bum, bum.
Get wise and get truckerized today.